Nagbuhat si Ishael sa iyang assignment. Go. Very good. Kulang na lang.
I mean it.
Here. Letter. Trace the letter K. Go. Go. K. I-trace na. Dili mo cry ha. No shouting.
Kenny.
Ni. Silent K. Ni.
Silent. Okay.
Very good.
Sign.
Yeah.
Silent.
Yeah.
Silent.
You just don't read the letter K. Just ni.
K.
Yeah, K.
Kenny.
It's not kini, it's ni.
Nine. Nine.
Yeah, it's ni.
Nine. Nine. Nine.
Yes, Ishael.
18. 18.
No singing. You're right.
Chilling guys.
No singing. You're right.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Continue. Why are you singing, man? It's ni. It's not kini. It's ni.
Kenny.
No.
Kenny. Kenny. Kenny.
No, it's not kini. You get the cell phone.
Kenny.
Get the cell phone sa table ka. We will see if it's kini. Go.
Key.
It's ni.
Nanny. Mommy.
What?
Ah.
Okay. Don't hurt. No hitting. No, your rules, Waiting time. No crying, no shouting. Go. It's ni.